Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are really doing well. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna review every moisturizer that I have used in 2025, and yeah, I have something for everyone. And yeah, if you're interested, then please keep on watching the video because I'm gonna review each one of them, and this video is totally non-sponsored. That means each and every moisturizer that I show in this video is earned by my money and not at all sponsored. So yeah, if you're interested, then please keep on watching the video, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel as it means a hell lot to me. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So these are the moisturizers that I'm gonna review. So let's just start and let's review it one by one. Okay, so the first one is something that I'm using currently, and it's becoming one of my favorites. And this is this CeraVe moisturizing lotion for dry to very dry skin. Okay, you are getting 88 ml of the product for rupees 550 rupees. Okay, the reason why it's becoming my favorite is because this is my second bottle. Firstly, okay, so this is my second bottle, and it has all three types of ceramides to it. It has cholesterol, fatty acids, all those things that will keep your skin barrier intact. See, I have been using this moisturizer and my skin barrier, look at my skin, look at the condition of my skin, it's getting so good. Okay, I was breaking out badly, and when nothing worked, when I say nothing, I mean it, when nothing worked, this was the one that worked for me. And it is, lotiony in texture. It is of course a lotion. It says it is for dry to very dry skin type, but for me, I have combination skin which is more prone towards drier side, and for me it works wonderfully well. See, this is the texture of it, absorbs really well into your skin, moisturizes it really nicely, calms down the skin. It is so good for barrier repair as well. And yeah, I just loved it, and this is my second bottle, so this is the this is becoming my favorite. Okay, so the second one is again from CeraVe. This is their moisturizing cream. Okay, I am already using this one, but because it's winters now and I want something for slugging, I don't usually use Vaseline, so I bought this one. This is the thicker version of the lotion. It's going to protect your skin's barrier. It has all all the ceramides, lipids and cholesterol, everything that your skin needs. And this retails for 430 rupees for 50 ml, which is, this one is expensive than this one. Okay, so this is a very thick kind of a moisturizer, like really thick. See, this is how thick it is, and I use this for slugging. I use this on my foreheads because this is the area I need more moisturization, and sides of my cheeks because they are like really dry, so I use it for slugging. And oh my god, it's it's working absolutely well for me. Also, if you're also someone with dry skin and one moisturizer is not enough for you, try slugging. And if Vaseline doesn't suit you, try using heavy moisturizers. Okay, so this is a moisturizer that I use for slugging, and oh my god, it is doing wonders for me. So the lotion is for people with combination to normal skin and even dry skin type people, but this one is for normal to dry skin type people. Even if you have really dry skin, then use the combo and you will be surprised how good they work together. So yeah, now coming to the next moisturizer, because these two are ceramide based, I'll choose again the next moisturizer that I'm going to choose is the one which is ceramide based. This is the Astura's Auto Barrier 365 cream. Okay, this is a moisturizing cream. You are getting 45 ml of the product for, I guess I got this for 500 or 600 rupees, and it is expensive for the amount you are getting. So this one also has ceramides to it, lipids, cholesterol, all those things. It does have niacinamide as well, I guess. It does have that. So if you don't want niacinamide in your moisturizer, this one is not for you. The reason I bought was this particular moisturizer was because of its texture. See, it has those ceramide beads to it. See, can you see the beads? Yeah, these are the ceramide beads that when you rub it into your skin, the beads get dissolved on your skin, giving the burst of ceramides and all those fatty acids, so that your skin barrier, is intact. If your skin barrier is broken, this is a very good moisturizer for you as well. But this is for dry skin type people. If you have combination oily skin, this one is not for you. It will break you out. And also I have seen, if you have like, if your barrier is already broken, I guess then this will not work for you, because I purchased it when my skin barrier was broken, and it made the situation worse. And at that time, this helped me. Okay, and when nowadays, when my barrier is okay, fine, and then I'm using it, it's working absolutely fine for me. But when my skin barrier was broken, all that redness was there, irritation was there, it was making it even worse. So keep that in mind. If your skin is very comedogenic, or if you are like very prone to getting acne, this one is not for you. It is expensive and it will make the situation worse as well. So no, this is not for you if you have like acne. So the next one is this Claire's Midnight Blue Calming Cream. This is one of my favorites, again, because this has worked absolutely well for my skin. It is a bit costly though, so I would say if it's in your budget, then only buy this. Otherwise, choose any other moisturizer. But coming to this product, it has this so beautiful blue color to it, which I absolutely love. This is because of the ingredient called gauzeline. This cream is so soothing and calming. Okay, if I don't want to apply anything else on my skin, just a moisturizer, this is the moisturizer that I go for on days when I don't want to apply any other skincare product on my face. If you want something which is calming, soothing, as well as anti-aging, this is the product you go for, because it does have ceramides, it does have peptides to it, and obviously centella asiatica, gauzeline, all those calming ingredients to it. So on days when I don't want to use any other thing, I use this. And trust me, try the smaller version first, you will love it. Though I would say this is more suitable for people with normal to dry skin. Okay, even if you have like combination skin, you can use this in winters, but I think during summers it would be really heavier for your skin. But absolutely a gem. I love this one, and this is a bit costly. This is 60 grams of the tube, 60 grams of the tube, and I got this for like 1500 rupees. So it is costly, but absolutely worth it if it suits you. So yeah, coming to the next moisturizer, because we are talking about barrier repairing, barrier care, and I'm seeing that every other moisturizer that I own is something which would keep something for my barrier only. So the next product is this Pyang Kang Yul calming moisturizer barrier cream, and as you can see, I have almost finished it. Okay, almost finished, because this was so good. I know I'm saying this for every moisturizer, but they are really good. Okay, so this is very calming and soothing. It is especially good for oily to combination skin, but dry skin type people can also use it. You are getting, I guess, 50 ml of the product. Yeah, 50 ml of the product for 1500 rupees. It has ceramides to it, panthenol, squalane, hyaluronic acid, cica extracts, all those calming, soothing and hydrating ingredients. And among all the other moisturizers, this one has the lightest texture. See, this is the texture. And why I say it's very hydrating, because as you rub it into your skin, see, it instantly feels like water. Like, this is the moisturizer which literally on rubbing it feels like water. See, it definitely feels like water, and it's very hydrating, very calming, very soothing, because it has ceramides and all those calming and soothing ingredients. This one is one of the best purchases of 2025, and I absolutely love it. Worth your money, though it's costly, but worth your money. Your skin barrier will be really happy. So the next moisturizer is this Cosrx Advanced Nail 92 All-in-One Cream. I get it for like 1100 rupees. You get 100 grams of the product. Absolutely worth your money. I've been using this for like 5 years now. Still I'm using this because this is that good. It is very good for oily to combination skin type people. For dry skin type people, they will need something heavier than this, or they need to layer it up. I also use this mostly in summers, but during winters I need to layer it with some other thick moisturizer for that hydration and moisturization. But other than that, it is so good. The texture is so unique. This is the texture. and it's very hydrating. You know, my face feels so hydrated after using this. Sometimes when I don't have a toner with me, I use this, you know, at the place of toner, and then I layer it with some other moisturizer, heavy moisturizer, and the effect that it gives is very good. Though the only con is that if you have, you know, like if you have extremely acne prone skin, it might not work for you. Also, if you have fungal acne issue, then this is not going to work. It can make the situation worse, so don't use if you have fungal acne. Also, this Estura one, if you have fungal acne, don't use this one. It can make the situation worse. Other than that, this is a gem, and I haven't, you know, stopped using it, and I don't think I'll ever stop using this product. So yeah, this is that good. Coming to the next moisturizer, this is the Minimalist B5 10% moisturizer. Okay, it has copper, magnesium, zinc, hyaluronic acid, and betaine. It is lightweight and oil free. You get 50 grams of the product for rupees 349, which is good. It has, again, it is a B5, you know, moisturizer. That means panthenol, and by now everyone knows what panthenol does to your skin. It is, you know, it just locks moisture into your skin. It gives you that doughy plump effect, and it's also barrier soothing and barrier repairing. And this particular moisturizer is very good for oily and combination skin. I have used so much of it and still can't get over how, you know, beautifully the, you know, how beautifully this moisturizer works on my skin. Very lightweight, very soothing, does the job, no nonsense, and, you know, affordable as well. So Minimalist, well done. And this one, my, you know, sister-in-law, she uses this one, and she has like extremely acne prone skin. Like she has lots and lots of acne, and still this one works for her. So this is that good. So if you have oily skin, if you have acne prone skin, try this one, you will love it. Okay, so the next one is a staple that I guess every household has it, you know, and this is the Lakme Peach Milk Vitamin E Creme Moisturizer. I got it for like 142 rupees. This is something that I would, you know, I used to use it, not anymore, because it has a strong fragrance to it, and if you are someone who's allergic to fragrance or fragrance doesn't suit you, then this is not the product for you. Other than that, if you have dry skin, this is a very good product to use. Like, I have seen people using it for years and years, and you know, they just love it. My mother-in-law, she uses this one and she absolutely loves it. The fragrance is overpowering, and I don't use fragrance product in my skincare. That's why I don't use this. Other than that, this is a very good cream, and especially if you have, you know, dry skin. So yeah. Okay, so the next product is this Dr. Sheth's Healthy and Hyaluronic Acid Sleeping Mask. It has hyaluronic acid, ceramide, squalene, and turmeric oil globules. I purchased this during summers. This is actually my second tube, and I keep repurchasing this one because of the glow that it provides. You know, if you are someone who has like really dull skin, not hyperpigmentation, I'm not talking about pigmentation, I'm talking about dullness and dryness, then this is the product you should go for. Though the texture of the product is, you know, it feels like it is more for oily skin type. The texture is lightweight, yet it is very hydrating. Okay, you are getting 40 grams of the product for I don't know how much rupees. I'll give it somewhere here, but this is absolutely a gem from an Indian company, and I love it. I love it. Once it is over, I'm gonna again buy it. During summers I use this alone, but during winters I will layer up. You know, I do all my skincare, and this is the last step that I'll apply as a last step on my skin, and I wake up with, you know, soft and glowy skin. So absolutely a gem. Try this one out. Okay, so the next one is this, again, cult favorite. This is the Cetaphil's moisturizing lotion for normal to combination and sensitive skin. You get 100 grams of the quantity for 575 rupees. This is a no-nonsense product, works absolutely well. You know, it is recommended for, you know, sensitive skin as well. It, you know, combats dryness. If you have really dry skin, go for this one. But the main issue that I get from this product is that it does have benzyl alcohol to it, which I am allergic to. That's why I don't use it. And also it has isopropyl palmitate, which is comedogenic. So you know, it really depends from skin to skin whether it will clog your pore or not. For me, it does clog my pore, and also I'm allergic to benzyl alcohol, and that's why I use it on my body and not on my face. But I have seen so many people using this product and they are absolutely fine. This is actually a gem, but it really depends on if you know, it suits you or not. Otherwise, it is very good. It has avocado oil to it, it has vitamin B5, B3, vitamin E, all those soothing ingredients, and it's very good if you have dryness. But it really depends whether it will suit you or not. Other than that, it is a good product. Let me show you the texture. I forgot that it is, you know, kind of a lotion, and really good for normal to dry skin type people and as well as sensitive skin people. So this is the texture of it. So last but not the least is this Topic Top MF Moisturizing Lotion. This is a pharmacy based moisturizer, and it has a pH of 5.5, and it says it's for all skin type, but I guess it is more for drier skin type people. Okay, it has no parabens, no mineral oil. It's like very rich in texture. Okay, like it has so many butters to it, like shea butter, mango butter, cocoa butter, aloe butter. So it is concoction of all those butters, and vitamin E, vitamin B5, panthenol, whatnot. It is really good. But I guess this will suit only dry skin type people, and also if you have like eczema prone skin, this is going to do wonders. My husband, he does have eczema, and this is the product that was actually, you know, suggested by my dermat, and this is a gem for sure. It does have perfume to it, so if you are allergic to perfume, don't use it. Otherwise, apart from that, it is very good and very nourishing and hydrating. So I guess this is for more for dry skin type people, and you are getting 150 ml of the product for 249 rupees. That is like 250 रुपये में सब हो जाएगा. But this is actually good if you have dry skin. So yeah, do try this one out. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like it, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And why, I don't know why so many of you haven't subscribed yet. Please do subscribe. Until then, bye bye.